Second stanza. When first my casement is wide open thrown. In the second stanza, she relates her own impression of different times. Okay, she relates her own impression in the second stanza. Okay, if you find any doubt in the class, you can ask me. When first my casement means window. Okay, casement is wide open thrown at dawn, my eyes delighted on it rest. Okay, in the early morning when I wake up from my bed, through the window I could see casuarina tree. When I'm seeing casuarina tree, it gives delight, it cherishes me. Okay, it gives happiness to me, on it rest. Daily it's a routine work for me. Whenever I'm seeing the casuarina tree, it will give freshness, it will give happiness. Sometimes and most in winter. Okay, especially in winter season, how the tree it will be. Okay, you'll see. Sometimes and most in winter, on its crest means top of the tree. And a grey baboon, a kind of monkey. A grey baboon sits statue like alone. So in the winter season, if you see the top of the crest of the tree, what we can see? We can see a baboon sits statue like. Okay, ஒரு ஸ்டாச்சு மாதிரி அப்படியே அசையாமல் உட்காந்துருக்கு. And watching the sunrise. Who is watching the sunrise? The baboon is watching the sunrise by sitting on the top of the casuarina tree. While on lower boughs already we know very well, branches. So while on lower boughs, that crest, baboon is sitting on the crest. In the lower boughs, in the down branches, what is going on? His panni, okay, panni of spring leap about and play. Panni means small one, his small monkey. Okay, that is in the lower boughs, lower branches, that small monkey, it is jumping here and there. Okay, bunny offspring leap means jump, about and play. Alright, so in the crest, baboon is sitting, and in the lower branches, who is playing? A small one, a small monkey bunny is playing. And fair and near, kokilas hail the day. Kokilas is a kind of bird like a cuckoo. Okay, and fair and near, kokilas hail the day. Kokilas are singing, it hailed the day. And fair and near, okay, anganga kokila oda sing pandra sound I can hear. And to their pastures went our sleepy cows. Okay, and from in the tree we can see the baboon and its young one, and kokila also singing in the tree at the same time. What do you mean by went? Went, stroll means wander. Okay, wander. That unto their pastures went our sleepy cows. That sleepy cows, that is a time of sleeping time for the cows. Okay, when it is that cows are wandering under the tree. And in the shadow on the broad tank cast. Okay, and in the shadow, we know very well, it's a very big tree. In the shadow of the tree, under a tree, there was a water tank. Okay, broad tank cast, water tank, right? And by that hoar tree, what do you mean by hoar? Hoar is a white frost deposit on the tree. Okay, hoar is white frost deposits on the tree. So full and full எப்படி இருக்கு? Because we know very well it's a winter season. Winter seasonல trees full எப்படி இருக்கும்? That snow everything அப்படியே deposit ஆயிருக்கும் treesல. Okay, but that whole tree so beautiful and vast. Okay, when we see the tree with that whole, it looks very beautiful and it is vast. It's a very big one. The water lilies spring like snow in mist. Okay, that water tank full என்ன இருக்கு? We can see water lilies, full and full water lilies. How it looks, அப்படியே full and full snow வந்து ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆகிருக்கிற மாதிரி, டெபாசிட் ஆகிருக்கிற மாதிரி it looks. Okay, right? So in the second stanza, daily she used to see the casuarina tree through her window, and she can see a baboon sitting on the top of the tree, and at the same time while it is sitting, his young one, what it's doing, it's playing, it's jumping branch to branch. And the second, kokila is also singing in the tree, and in the third one, what it is saying, that cows are taking rest under the shadow of the tree, because it's a very big tree, and that shadow of the tree, it gives shadow to the tank, water tank. Okay, that water tank is full of filled with white lilies. Okay, that scene is look like that water lily spring, like snow enmeshed, full and full snow cover ana mari. It looks very beautiful, right? This is the second stanza. We'll go to the third stanza. Third stanza, but in the third stanza, she is going to tell her memories of her siblings. Okay, memories of her siblings. Abju is her brother, Aru is her sister. Okay, but not because of its magnificence. Dear is the casuarina to my soul. Okay, I like casuarina tree very much. I love casuarina tree very much, not because of its magnificence, okay, not because of his gallant look, not because of his majestic look. I loved it very much. Why? We will see. Dear is the casuarina to my soul. Beneath it, okay, under the tree we have played. Who's that we? That Abju, Aru and Torotat. Okay, myself, my sister and brother, we three were played under the tree. Though years may roll, okay, many years we passed. Oh sweet companions, oh my dear sweet companions, her sister and brother. Loved with love intense. I love you so much. Okay, I like you so much. Intense means strong love she has on her siblings. For your sakes, your denotes her siblings, Abju and Aru. For your sakes shall the tree be ever dear. What she is coming to say, and I'll tell one example. For example, now you are in plus 2. Okay, after your schoolings you will go to the college, and ஒவ்வொருத்தவங்க ஒவ்வொரு காலேஜுக்கு போவீங்க. ஒரு மெமரிக்காக your friend she presented a pen. ஒரு பென் கொடுத்துருப்பா. ஓகே, யூ வில் கீப் இட்ஸ் வெரி சேஃப்லி, ரைட்? அந்த பெண்ணை பார்க்குறப்ப எல்லாம் வாட் வில் யூ கேன் திங்க் அபவுட் யுவர் ஃப்ரெண்ட். ஓகே, பெண்ணை பார்க்குறப்ப மட்டும்தான். ஆல்வேஸ் யூ ஆர் நாட் திங்கிங் அபவுட் யுவர் ஃப்ரெண்ட். வென் எவர் யூ ஆர் கிராசிங் தட் பென், இட் வில் கிவ் யுவர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் மெமரிஸ், ரைட்? புரிஞ்சதா? எல்லாமே திங்க் பண்ணுறது. இந்த அப்படியே பென் எடுத்து கொஞ்சம் உட்காந்தோன்னா வி வில் திங்க் அபவுட் அவர் ஸ்வீட் மெமரிஸ், ஹவு வி ஸ்பெண்ட் அ டைம் வித் அவர் ஃப்ரெண்ட், லைக் தட் வில் இமேஜின். நோ, லைக் தட் ஹியர் casuarina tree is a object to her. ஓகேவா? அந்த casuarina tree பார்க்குறப்ப எல்லாம் தட் இட் பிரிங்ஸ் தட் ஸ்வீட் மெமரிஸ் ஆஃப் ஹர் சிப்ளிங்ஸ். புரிஞ்சுதா? அந்த மாதிரி தான். ஃபார் யார் சேக்ஸ் ஷெல் த ட்ரீ பி எவர் டியர். ஃபார் யார் சேக்ஸ் ஏன் இப்படி சொல்கிறாங்க? பிகாஸ் வென் எவர் ஐ எம் சீயிங் த ட்ரீ இட் பிரிங்ஸ் யார் மெமரிஸ். ஓகே, அப்போ கண்டிப்பாக அப்போ உன்னை பார்க்குறப்ப மட்டும்தான். ஓகே, அப்போ கண்டிப்பாக என்னோட சிப்ளிங்ஸோட மெமரிஸை யார் பிரிங்கிங் மீ. ஸோ ஃபார் யார் சேக்ஸ், ஸோ அந்த இதுக்காகவே யூ ஷுட் லிவ் லாங் அண்ட் லாங். Shall the tree be ever dear. So for that I like the tree very much. And blent with your images, the tree is full and full covered with your images, and it shall arise in memory till the hot tears blind my eyes. So whenever I am looking the tree, it gives your memories, and that memories bring me tears in my eyes. That tears blind my eyes. ரொம்ப அழுதானா என்ன ஆகும்? கண்ணே தெரியாது இல்லையா? ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி அவங்களுக்கு ட்ரீயை பார்க்குறப்பெல்லாம் she feels very sad. Okay, and what is that dirge? That's all. Up to that line she talked about her siblings, and then the next 4 lines she is going to talk about the lament of casuarina tree. And what is that dirge like murmur that I hear? She raised a question. Okay, dirge means, what do you mean by dirge? A lament. Lamentna enna? Oppari வைக்கிறது. A lament for the dead. What is that dirge like murmur that I hear? Oh, என்ன யாரோ அலற மாதிரி. I could hear that lament noise. Just listen me carefully. Casuarina tree, it is in Bengali. Okay, but our author, she is in France or Italy. Okay, she is in France or Italy. From there itself she is thinking about our casuarina tree. So she is telling that I could hear the voice, I could hear the lament of casuarina tree, like the sea breaking on a shingle beach. How that sound, how that moaning sound it is. எப்படி இருக்கா? Like the sea breaking on a shingle beach. We know very well when the waves are touching the seashore, it will give a big noise, and especially when the waves are touching the rocks in the seashore. Okay, எப்படி அந்த sound, it will be high pitched sound இருக்கும். So like that, okay, in that high pitched sound I can hear the lament of the casuarina tree. in the tree's lament on eerie speech. Okay, it's a tree's lament on eerie speech, very strange speech, frightening speech. ரொம்ப சத்தமாக பேசினா it will frightening. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி it's a big noise. And that happily to the unknown land may reach. Okay, and already I told you Casuarina tree, it is in Bengali, and trees in Italy are France. Okay, so from Bengali to Italy she can hear the lament of the tree. Okay, the happily it may be to the unknown land may reach. இங்கிருந்து for example now I am in Kambam, இங்கே அழுறது என் சென்னை கேட்குற மாதிரி. Okay, is it possible? It is impossible, right? But for her it is possible. Okay, அந்த அளவுக்கு கம்பத்தில் நான் பேசுகிறது வந்து சென்னை கேட்குற மாதிரி எப்படி இருக்குன்னு just imagine. High pitched sound, that high pitched sound I can hear. Okay, so then the last 4 lines she has given the lament of our Casuarina tree. She can hear the lament of our Casuarina tree in Italy, right? Okay, this is the third stanza.